Hey, thanks for checking in, everybody. I'm Kyle Dixon. I'm with Cunis Country Ford Lincoln here in Delavan, Wisconsin. We are the #1 specialty truck dealer in the Midwest. I'm out here today with Tuscany Automotive, and we are featuring the 2018 755 horsepower Shelby F150. Absolutely gorgeous truck. It is a rocket ship. We also carry all 4 lines of the trucks. We have the 755 horsepower Shelby F150 as featured here today. We have the F150 Super Snake. We also have the Shelby Baja Raptors, and we do carry the Mustang Super Snake. This is my first video, so please do me a favor, like and comment below, and let's get started. The base truck, before anything is done to this truck at Tuscany Automotive, is an awesome truck. It comes from Ford with the 502A luxury Lariat package. Now, that package has a ton of bells and whistles. You've got your blind spot assist, you've got your adaptive cruise control, you've got your lane sensing, you've got an 8-inch touchscreen with voice activated navigation, you've got Sync 3, you've got Sync Connect, you've got heated and cooled seats. You've got a twin panel moonroof with a power sunshade. This thing has everything and so much more. The base truck comes with a 5-liter V8 from Ford. Now this thing, naturally aspirated, gets just under 400 horsepower at 395 horsepower. That's a lot of horses. Then you take the 2.9-liter Whipple twin screw supercharger and it adds 360 more ponies for a grand total of 755, yes, you heard me right, 755 horsepower rated from Shelby. That's a lot of ponies. To this beautiful front end, we have a hood here that's composite. Tuscany uses a composite hood because composite is lighter and it's stronger than fiberglass. These slits here are functional. It feeds the Ram air intake to the Whipple twin screw supercharger, which needs its air. You also have honeycomb inserts here and at the bottom. And then on the sides, you also have your fender venting because this thing gets hot when it goes fast. Now, another thing I absolutely love about this truck is the way that it rides. Now, you get a lot of trucks out there that have lifts and they have the big wheels and they have the big tires and they look great, but the ride leaves something to be desired. So, Tuscany has teamed up with BDS to give us a BDS suspension. Also, Tuscany, recently acquired by Fox Shocks, gives us our Raptor-style Fox shocks. Now, these shocks can be tuned to the surface that you're driving on. It's as easy as a click of a knob here. There's 12 different clicks. Tuscany sends them from the plant, set at 10. It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The looser you go for the more off-road driving, the tighter you go for more street driving. This thing is such a comfortable ride with the lift and the big tires on it. It's like riding on a cloud. Lightning on a cloud, but a cloud nonetheless. To tires and wheels, you have your 35-inch KO2 BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And this year in 2018, Tuscany has put on 20-inch wheels as opposed to the 18 inches in the past, and man, are they beautiful. You've got the Shelby badge here, you've got the Shelby lettering there, and of course my favorite part is the red brake calipers offset against the black. These are gorgeous, gorgeous wheels. Now, in 2018, Tuscany went with a lighter and a thinner hard tonneau cover. It is painted to match the rest of the lightning blue on this truck. You have the stripes coming down, the Shelby striping, and then you have your Ford logo here. You also have in 2018 the F150 stamping. You've got the Shelby lettering here, and a unique feature here from Tuscany. You've got these eyebrows for the dual black tipped exhaust. It is a Borla performance exhaust. Let's hear that exhaust right now. Again this year, Tuscany has used a bed rug bed liner, and also on your tailgate, you have your tailgate step for easy access into the bed of the truck. From the side, again, this truck is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see in the rear, you've got your Shelby lettering there. You've got a nice white stripe here from Shelby and the Shelby lettering as well within that white stripe. You've also got Shelby lettering there on the fender vent. Now, something we do here at Kunes Country Auto Group is we order all of our Shelby trucks with the AMP Research power running boards. It's an extra option that's not normally included with this truck. It's usually a fixed running board, and you can get that fixed running board if you would like. However, we do order them with the power running board. We think it's a great, great option. Now, Ford makes the best cab in my personal opinion. It's got the most space. It is so comfortable. I am 6'2", and as you can see, I've got tons of leg room back here. Now, Shelby did the seats here this year. They're black leather, and you've got red stitching. Up in the front, you've got the Shelby patches on both seats. On the center console, you've got a Shelby badge with the snake and the 755 horsepower. You've also got the dash plaque with the CSM serial number from Shelby. You've got the carbon fiber package, which looks immaculate in this truck. All around, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. On a final note, these gorgeous trucks come in 6 different beautiful colors. Today, we're here with the lightning blue with the white stripe. It also comes in the Oxford white with a blue stripe. It comes in a ruby red with a black stripe, race red with a white stripe, black with a gray stripe, and finally leadfoot gray with a black stripe. They're all gorgeous. I personally can't pick a favorite. It's up to you to decide. If you're interested in one of these gorgeous trucks, please give me a call at Kunes Country Ford Lincoln here in Delavan, Wisconsin at 262-728-5544. Another thing to remember is that if you order one of these trucks from us, we will ship it in the continental United States for free. Thank you again for checking in. Please remember to like and comment below, and have a great day.